Hello everyone, welcome back to TixGems. Can't find the sensitive content option on Telegram. If Telegram is hiding certain channels or media marked as sensitive, don't worry. The setting is not available inside the Telegram app, but you can still enable it in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your phone. Go to web.telegram.original. Make sure you're using the original version of the website. Now sign into your Telegram account. If you are asked for a verification code, open the Telegram app and enter the code you receive. Once you're logged in, tap the three-line menu in the top left corner, then tap Setting. Next, open Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find Sensitive Content. Just simply turn on the Disable Filtering. This allows Telegram to show media and channels that are marked as sensitive instead of hiding them. Keep in mind that if you're using a minor account, this option may not be available. After enabling it, open the Telegram app again. If you don't notice any changes right away, simply close the app completely and reopen it. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.